students, today I am going to discuss with you about the Carpel polymorphism. Carpel polymorphism. So the term Carpel is equivalent to the term megasporophyll. All the carpels present in a flower, all the carpels present in a flower is called Gynoecium. There is another term called pistil, and it is the free occurring part of the carpel. The gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the plant body. Again, a pistil has one or more carpels. There is another term called pistillode, and it is the sterile or undeveloped part of the pistil. So, a carpel is ultimately equivalent to gynoecium, that is the female reproductive part of the plant body. As we already know that the flower is the reproductive part of the plant body, and the female reproductive part is the gynoecium, which is equivalent to carpel and megasporophyll. From the megasporophyll, the female reproductive part will develop, and the pistillode term represents the sterile or undeveloped part of the carpel, while the pistil is the free occurring part that is present in the carpel. A carpel or gynoecium has three parts, that is the stigma, style, and the basal swollen portion is called the ovary. So the stigma, style, and ovary of the gynoecium represents the carpel. The ovary has the ovules, which will ultimately form the seeds, and when seeds will germinate, it will form the plant of different species. Now there are different types of gynoecium. Based on the number of based on the number of carpels present in it. So depending on the number of carpels present in the gynoecium are of different types. It may be monocarpellary when there is only one carpel present in the gynoecium, bicarpellary when the carpels are two in number, tricarpellary when it is three in number, and when more than three, then it is called polycarpellary condition. So these are the different types of gynoecium based on the presence of number of carpels. So there are another two forms or terminology, that is the fused and free. When the carpels are free, then it is called the apocarpellary condition, and when the carpels are fused, then it is called syncarpellary condition. So based on the fused and free carpels present in the ovary can be termed as, when the carpels are fused, then it is called syncarpous ovary, and when it is free, it is called apocarpous ovary.